Have you ever wondered what it takes to completely turn your life around? Today, you'll hear one story that might just change your perspective forever. Comebacks in health and wealth are monumental in today's world. Think about it, having the power to turn your life around, overcome obstacles, and rise to new heights. It's a testament to human resilience and determination. And that's what we're exploring today. 3 incredible comeback stories in health and wealth that will leave you inspired and motivated. Many of us face challenges in health and wealth, from conflicting information to self-doubt and even a lack of accountability. These obstacles can feel overwhelming, but remember, we're not alone. There are countless stories of people who've overcome these hurdles and found their path to success. Let me share 3 stories that stand out. First, there's Sarah, a woman who was once bedridden with chronic illness but became a marathon runner through sheer determination. Then there's John, who climbed out of deep debt to build a 7-figure business despite battling self-doubt. And finally, Emily, given just 6 months to live due to a rare illness, used a mix of therapies and an unshakable will to not only survive but thrive. Her story is a powerful reminder of the human spirit's capacity for healing and resilience. Emily's story is more than an inspiration, it's a call to action. No matter the challenges you're facing, you have the power to rise above. Reflect on your own life, what's holding you back, and what small step can you take today to move closer to your dreams. What's your comeback story? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you've risen above challenges. And if you're ready for more inspiration, don't miss my next video, where I'll share even more incredible stories of transformation and triumph. Let's keep this momentum going.